Hi everyone, welcome to Module 7. Module 7 is going to be looking at the long-run economic growth model, and we're going to be looking at different policies that will help foster economic growth and some of the fluctuations that occur within productivity in the United States. When we look at economic growth, you'll notice it's very important for our economy because it creates more jobs, lowers the unemployment rate, and creates long-run stability. For this week, you're going to be reading Chapter 11. Some of the questions you want to focus on is why does economic growth differ from country to country? So what are some of the main reasons why growth differs? Some of the main reasons why you see growth will differ is because of the factors of economic growth. And the factors that we focus on, you're looking at factors like technology and productivity. Those are the main reasons why economic growth might differ. What government policies will foster economic growth? That's another key thing to focus on. Economic growth is very important to many economies. And when we look at economic growth, we want to focus on how to establish economic growth policies to help our economy continue to grow in the future. So for this week, you have the final project. And the final project is what you should be focusing on for this week. So let's go over the final project and what are some of the resources that you should be using. And if you need any help, let me know. Let's go to final project resources right here. Let's look at the final project guidelines and document first. Now again, I'm more than willing to pre-grade your work. I'm more than willing to assist in any way possible. All you have to do is ask for help. Let me know areas that you're focusing on in your report and where you need help with, and I can easily provide feedback. And no one should struggle on this project with the amount of feedback that I'm able to provide. But if you have any questions, please let me know as I look forward to your effort. So let's look at what we're focusing on for this project. So you're going to be looking at the critical elements, and the information in the critical elements should be in the detailed speaker notes. That's the important part. So you're looking at examination of GDP, unemployment, interest rate fluctuations, and foreign trade. Those are the key trades you want to put in your paper. Then part 2, you want to look at actions that focus on this. You want to look at fiscal policy, which is taxes and government spending, and monetary policy, which is changes in interest rates. All of this information needs to be contained in the detailed speaker notes. A lot of you are not putting information in the detailed speaker notes, and that's where you're going to miss a lot of points, because you cannot really answer these questions without that content there in your speaker notes. On your PowerPoint slides, do not worry about putting a lot of content on the slides, because with your detailed speaker notes, that's where you want to put your information. Now, how are you being graded on your paper? So you're going to be grading the examination of GDP growth rates and trends. That's going to be 6.4% of your paper. Then national output, that's 6.4%. Unemployment, that's 6.4%. Unemployment events, interest rate fluctuations, foreign trade models, government policies, monetary policy actions, impact of monetary policy, trends, agreement, and the articulation of your response. Here's what I think is best for you to do to handle your project. See this title, right here. See these titles right here. Make that a physical slide and make that slide what you're presenting. It'll make it very easy for me to grade your work and for you to understand what's being asked of you. So each of these points should be a slide, and that'll help with your detailed analysis. If you have any additional questions, please let me know, but I look forward to your effort, and please send me any questions you have by email as well.